Airplane from across the sea, the Havilland Canada Caribou. Over to you, Gareth.
Yeah, g'day, Grant. How are you?
Yes.
Used to be from the Lent Caribou Victoria Woodyard, squadron leader of the XO of 38 Squadron. Co-pilot is Pilot Officer Glenn Smith. Two engineers, one Officer Dave Harrison and Rick McCormack. Setting up for a 40 stall, I think it's maximum.
Great work there from Graham Bethel. Always a thrill to have him on the field. Graham and Karen, one of the most popular couples in New Zealand warbirds. Great to see them back on the field.
About 60 knots over the fence there. Bit of a tailwind.
Pointing downwards. Very unusual thing to see, but fabulous to watch. Well, is that still done?
Unfortunately, no, it's not. There's no operational requirement for us to practice that except for demonstrations like these, so not actually allowed to do it. It comes about, of course, when you have 40 flaps, the profile how do you actually fly upwards?
It's an unusual thing to see the airplane doing what I just described, where the nose wheel's trundling along like a wheelbarrow, the rest of the airplane is elevated above it, but it just shows what a versatile machine it is. One of the many aspects of the Caribou that show what a precisely versatile aircraft it is, what it's capable of.
That's right. It's one of the reasons why we've had it for so long. It operates very well in places like
Bring the Caribou in, usually with a troop of students, and they bring lunch with them as well. So I can't say the Royal Australian Air Force is not anything but hospitable.
you can actually fit a Suzuki.
That will furnish that same capability.
Well, typically, the Hercules aircraft can carry the loads into the larger strips, where a larger, more flexible civilian contingent can actually deliver the loads that the Caribou used to.
Real privilege, and I'm sure you'll appreciate it.
I was left here for what must be the last landing.
Prior to you that.
Selling hats and badges.